Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Form 941 on QuickBooks. So first is you must have a QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Enhanced account and make sure that you log into it. Then once inside, at the top corner of your screen, click on Employees, then click on Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s, and click on Process Payroll Forms. Then next, at the bottom corner of your screen under Other Activities section, click on Manage Filing Methods. So we're currently here at Filing Methods in a new window. And from here, click on Federal Form 941, then click on the Edit button. Next is select how you want to file the 941 form. So choose Responsible Individual. The next is select how you want to file this form. Then choose E-File. Then once done, head over and click on Finish. Next is switch to Enrollments. Then click on IRS. Then click on Edit. Just follow all the on-screen prompts, provide details being asked, and once you get on this page, click on Send Information. Once done, your Form 941 will then be sent to you and ready for you to be filed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!